G'day! In today's video I've got a Lenovo T495s with a broken screen. So this will be getting the trim pulled off and replaced. Flip it over here, hopefully we have a bit more of a model number. Model TOQK. TOQK. There we go. And we flip this over. The screen should go all the way down. And hopefully from here, I'll fold it this way, I should be able to just slide a flathead or plastic pry tool or a metal pry tool under and pull this trim up. And from there, should have a bit of luck. Try and pry this under. There we go. A little bit of heat may help aid in this repair. Right now it's lifting, but it's not really leaving. There we go. So this trim also comes up. So we actually separate it from here. That makes sense? Should be able to grab a plastic pry tool and just go around it now. And the whole screen looks to be coming out with it. Fold that down. We have a latch down here. Pry this up. Like so. Then from here, this bit here, when I zoom in, there's a little latch that lifts up, pull back. The screen is now separated. From here it's going to require a little bit more work. I'll fold this down, go to here. As we can see, here is the factory model number. LP140WFA SPD2. Now if I look that up, going by the model number here, this one is just a 14-inch panel, full HD, 1920 by 1080, 60 Hz IPS, and a 30-pin connector down here. What I'm going to have to do is heat up the front of this on my heat pad, and then I should be able to separate the LCD off the trim that's here, as it is stuck around the outer perimeter. Get that on the heat pad now, and I'm going to go see if I can find another screen while this heats up for probably a couple of minutes to make this repair a bit easier. Back in one moment. Now here I've got a replacement panel. This one is a Innolux N140 or 140 HCA-EAC. This will be compatible. Basically, as long as it has the same connection, similar resolution, similar size, we should be right. This one here would be right to replace the existing one here, and this should be a perfectly functional machine afterwards. Right now, the screen itself is getting warm to the touch, so I'm going to predict this is going to be pretty easy for me to peel off. So right now, this is just separating quite simple. As you can hear it. Maybe I'd use a hairdryer or something similar to that. If you have a little radiator heater, maybe even just resting it on there for a little bit. Stick it at 30 to 40 degrees Celsius and let it cook. Because right now this is coming apart fairly well. It is cooling down as it is becoming a little bit harder to separate. If I'm a bit more lucky, which I am in this particular instance, the adhesive is coming off and staying on the bezel, on the trim, and there's my old screen there, one crack down here. So that one is basically e-waste now. One new screen here. Now, probably should start by taking this off. Go, that's off. Now I just want to flip it, line it up. Make sure a couple of corners are good. If a couple of corners are good, I'm probably going to be okay overall. That way there. Up here, drop, drop. Go. Flip it over. Got a bit of hair stuck in there. Don't even know what the hell that hair's from. Doesn't look like mine. Go. Now I'll just work my way around the bezel, just pushing down on it. It's fitting just fine. We remove the heat, remove the screen, put that off to the side. I'll get it back heating up a broken iPhone 12. I should be able to open this up all the way. It's a matter of lining up that connection once more. There's enough slack for it to go over. Yep. Slide the pins under. Pull it towards it. There's that hair again. Click, push it down. Grab the little cover, pull that over. That's just so that latch doesn't come loose. Keeps it pulled in rather snug. Like so. From here we should be right to fold it over. That's a tad disappointing. Then it should be a matter of pushing it in. Unscratched, I'm not sure where the bugger came from. That is underwhelming. Customer will be discounted for that. Pulled off the film a tad too early. Now we'll look around the edges. Should be mostly clicked in most locations. Fold that shut. Have a look under here. Not quite clicked in a couple of spots. There you go. Done. Hope that helps you replace your screen on your T495s, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Power light on. Let's see if this will light up. There we go. All good. Bye.